Hey guys, this is how you connect your JLab earbuds to a device. In this case, a Android smartphone. Okay, so on Android you can pull down, see this logo for Bluetooth. Looks like a stylized B. Click that on, okay, and then pull these guys out like that, and see where it says JLab Air. Actually, you probably just have to wait a second. You don't even have to do anything. And it'll automatically connect. If it doesn't, you can, see it says connecting right there. Couldn't connect? Oh no. So, okay, that's perfect. If it doesn't connect, you can press on JLab Air and hit done. Did you hear that? Earbuds said that they were connected. Alright, let's try it again just in case. So, if you want to disconnect, you just hit the Bluetooth again. Did you hear that say disconnected? Okay. So, let's go to Bluetooth, JLab Air, hit done, and then it said it was connected. Alright, that's it. That's how you do it. Now, if for some reason, you have them in the device, in the charger, and you only pull out one, so you can use just one earbud. So it'll try to connect just one earbud. If that happens, you have to go back. Well, this is what I do. You go back and you reset. Okay, reset. So do it from scratch again, and that way you can get stereo again. If you want both earbuds, like I said, you can use either earbud as a single earpiece, or you can use both. So. Again, hit that, pull the earbuds out. It will try to connect automatically. If it doesn't, highlight JLab Go Air, hit done, and the earbuds will tell you that they're connected. And that's all you have to do. And then to disconnect, press the Bluetooth on your device. It says that your earbuds are disconnected, and then you can put them back in the charging case. And that's that. So, I hope this helped you. If it did, please like the video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And have a nice day. See if you can help somebody else today. Thanks for watching. Take care.